Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet Camaro LT. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.